This 50-cent stock could triple in the coming weeks. Here's why. And that stock that we're going to be talking about in this video is going to be TRKA Media Group, or TRKA. That is going to be the ticker symbol. So as you can see here, it's been having some wild days. Now it's up about down about 5.5% today, and up 4.5% in after hours. If you take a look at the past week, up 40%. Past month, it is up 75%. However, this thing could continue to run, guys, and I'll be telling you guys why in this video. I'm also going to be going over technical analysis at the end of this video, so make sure you guys watch until the end, because you're going to need to hear all of this before you invest in this stock. We always want to do our due diligence before investing in anything. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you guys do all your own due diligence and make your own decision when buying stocks. But anyways, we have to understand what TRKA Media Group is before we can invest in it, because before you invest in something, you need to know what possible things can be coming up, what type of things and the outside markets could affect this stock. So you need to know what it operates in, and yeah, TRKA Media Group is a marketing services company which leverages data and technology to deliver integrated branding, marketing, media, and analytics solutions. So this is a type of company that will always be around, because you're always going to need marketing for any service that you're gonna have, because you're gonna need to be able to convince people to buy your product. So they're always gonna be around. But yeah, it operates in the following services: TRKA brand building and activation, innovation and technology, performance and acquisition. The company was founded in November 2003 and is headquartered in New York, New York. The listed name for but anyways, there's 208 employees, and it was in New York, which we already said. So the market cap is currently $34 million. That is pretty high, I will say. In order to triple this stock, it will need to get up to $100 million market cap, but I will give you reasoning why it should already be higher than it is. This is actually a pretty undervalued stock, how it is right now. The high today was about 56 cents, but in the past 52 weeks, it has been as high as $1.42. I believe it's going to get back there, and we can see this stock triple in price. The normal volume is about 125 million. Today was Friday it was 139 million. So we're seeing higher volume than normal. And yeah, let's get into the rest of it. Before we get into the rest of it though, I do want to mention, guys, you can join our Discord with the first link in the description. And we've been putting out absolute bangers. You can see here that I put out a 71% Starbucks call, and I actually put up a swing trade that's already up 26%. I put that swing trade out at about 11 a.m. on Friday. In about 2 hours, it's up 26%. I believe this will be up 100% by the time the market opens tomorrow morning, by the time you see this. But you guys can join with the first link in the description. We put our buy and sell alerts out there for stock options plays, and you can join for free with the first link in the description. We put out a free alert every couple of days. But anyways, get into the rest of it. The reason that I chose this stock to talk about today is because it's trending on StockTwits. If you guys don't know, StockTwits is a place where you can check how much a stock is trending. And you can see here that TRKA is the #1 most active stock on StockTwits because of the success that they have been seeing. And yeah, I just like to check StockTwits just to basically show you guys that a stock is trending a bunch. But anyways, let's go over a couple more things. I like to look at Yahoo Finance just to check how they think the stock is going to perform. And you can see here that they have a bullish pattern that's detected. The performance outlook for the short term, midterm, and long term are all in the green from Yahoo Finance. So that is pretty solid. And you can see here, if we take a look at the financials, that annual revenue was about 40 million, 24 million. It was on the decline to 16 million in 2021. And then this past year, they went from 60 million in revenue to $116 million in revenue. So they increased revenue by $100 million. And that's only over the past 2 quarters, guys. In the Q1 of 2022, they had about 15 million in revenue. Q2, 85. Q3, 119 million. So this is absolutely like staggering growth, and you can see here they actually posted an earnings in Q3 of 2022. So extremely good to see that. And also recommendation trends, they have it as a buy. So number 2 is a buy, and then the analyst price targets have it at $1.50. That would triple its value. So very good to see there. TRKA just absolutely doing great, and it's because they retain leading investment banking firms Jeffrey LLC to optimize its capital structure. So basically, they got a very good deal to go through. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of highlight this because this is a recent thing that kind of led people to invest in TRKA even more. But that's a reasoning for why TRKA is doing so very well. But anyways, let's go over some technical analysis before we get out of here. And yeah, so if we take a look zoomed out, obviously this is doing extremely good. TRKA at one point was sitting at about 10 cents. And I mean, if you zoom out further, they were on a very massive decline. However, ever since they started to report better financials and posted that earning, that they got earnings, they have been trending back up from 10 cents, and they've been slowly but gradually making their way back up to 30 cents, coming back down to about 20 cents, back up to 40 cents, and then recently had their big run up from 37 cents all the way up to at one point 55 cents. Now, if we look in the interim, because this is how we like to look at it if we're trading, it looks like we have a bit of a support here at the 49 cent area, 50 cent area. Now, to end the day yesterday, it was looking like we were going to be trending down. It looks like we were trending down throughout the day. However, in after hours, we had another green candlestick, big green candlestick. So most likely, we could see some gains come back to TRKA starting in the next, starting on Monday or when you see this. And this is more of a couple weeks to a couple months play where we could see TRKA go all the way back up to $1.50, like those analysts said. So I just want you guys to keep an eye on this one. Their revenue numbers are only going up, their earnings are only increasing, and they have that really big partnership with Jeffries LLC. So I just want you guys to keep an eye on this one. Their support line is about 50 cents, so it goes below that. We could possibly see it pull back to about 30, all the way back to 37 cents. At that point, I would be buying up big. But if we do open in the green on Monday and it's sitting at about 52 to 53 cents, I would be buying here as well. And it's all about averaging in on this, on your cost basis on this, and just being ready for the ride up to $1.50 and hopefully tripling your money. But yeah. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure that you guys join the Discord with the first link in the description. Get signed up with Robinhood and start trading stocks with the second link in the description. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.